Okay, we'll come back to the last part of image manipulation for WPS presentation. Okay, sekarang gini, what we can do is talk about here rotate. Rotate is basically just pusing saja lah. So rotate 90 left, dia akan pusing, putar ke kiri. Yeah. And then rotate right, basically 90 degrees to kanan saja lah. Okay, and then flip horizontally is just basically just flip. Notice that sekarang dia punya mulut ke sebelah kanan. Or if let's say I was to flip it back horizontally, dia akan balik ke kiri lah. Okay, and then vertical is basically terbalikkan dia saja. Boleh? And then we can flip vertically again. That is rotate. Now, group ini ialah if let's say you have a multiple pictures, okay, you might resize there at the same time, okay, but you don't want to resize it one by one lah. So what you can do, you can actually groupkan dia, and then you can resize. Okay, notice that dia punya ratio tetap sama sekarang, so you don't have to worry lah. Okay, or you want to move around, things like that also can. Okay, now then here, if let's say on group again, of course you want to buat separate dia, then you just click on ungroup saja, and then dia akan back to its all original size. Now let's say what does align do is basically I want to put this one at the top left corner kan. So most of the time is kita akan buat macam ini. So we're not sure whether cun atau tidak. Okay, what we can do is you just click on this image, pergi align. You can align left and then align top. Then dia akan straight away go to the end of the slide. That is alignment lah. Okay, let's say I want to put this at the bottom. Okay, you also can align bottom as well. If let's say I want to put this at the center, so what should I do? I should have align center, and then one more time align middle. Okay, what if I want to put this at the top right? Bagaimana? Kita pergi ke align top, align top, and then align right. Okay, so that is align. One more thing is, okay, what is distribute horizontally is basically similar to seperti ke center, and then finally vertically is just to from your align your top here middle punya lah. Is basically the same thing as this one here, align middle here. Okay, now relative to slide here is basically what it's going to do is you're going to turn off everything, and then you just lock on macam mana. You just slowly basically the same as a manual style lah, whereby the alignment tidak semua ada. So you make sure you just click on slides lah. Boleh? And then grid line is basically just show the grid line of the slides. If you can see, ada bintik-bintik sini. Okay, and then last but not least, grid and guides. Okay, here is basically you want to have what does this snap to object grid ni maksudnya. If you notice there's a dot sini kan, once you move it there, dia akan snap pergi sana. This one is basically the grid of the slides here. Okay, so let's say if I were to click here, notice that ada, dia akan snap begitu. You see, it's easier to snap on based on the grid line, right? And okay, here selection pane is as you all know, presentation is seperti like macam buat kek lapis. Picture 7 now is currently at the bottom. Which one is picture 7? Which is this one, this picture, sebab dia di bawah. And then picture 4 is this one. So when I put here, dia akan di atas, betul? So when I want to arrangekan dia, okay, how to arrangekan dia is actually you up to here. You can bring to forward or send backward. Okay, bring to forward, bring forward is basically is dia akan bring one step up. Bring to front maksudnya dia going to, if you have another layer in between here, let's say I put another layer here. Okay, so this is my picture 12. Let's say I'm going to, let's say now currently my picture 4 is at the back, paling belakang. Okay, so what bring to front is basically so I can jump up to the top here. Okay, and then if let's say I want to send one by one, I send backward. Okay, so you're going to stand in between picture 4 first, and then one more time dia akan send to the bottom. Okay, so this is basically how you can manipulate your graphics or even videos later in the upcoming video tutorials. So for now, this is we're done with module 1 on image manipulation. I'll see you guys in the next video.